Dr. French here. Welcome to the wonderful world of blogging. And so if you're not already a blogger, this might be your first time using WordPress. I find it to be very intuitive and pretty easy to navigate, but there are a couple little idiosyncrasies. So let me just show you. I'm looking at just a WordPress account right now. And so once you go to WordPress, you will create a username and password. It's going to automatically set up a site for you, your own website. That it will have whatever your username is. That's not the one you want to use. You just need to set up the account, though. It doesn't matter what maybe you will want to blog in the future. Great, that's awesome. But just pick a name, maybe your own name, or use your username. A WordPress account's free, so just use the free one. That's all you need to do. All you're getting is a username to give to me. So, for instance, let's say it was mine, and I would want to do. I'm a history professor, so let's say I do history professor, Dr. French, or my name here is History Prof. I would set that up as my username. You might want to use yours, Jane Doe, John Smith. And then it would just say, johnsmith.wordpress.com. All right, so once you do this, you will come in and you'll see something that looks like the screen you see right now. I'm going to switch over to our History at Delta one so you can see something else. You're going to want to go over to My Sites. And here, you see right here, it says History at Delta College. That's what you're always going to want to look for. Now, you're not going to see this the first time. The first time you're going to create you're going to create your account, and you're going to send me your username. Then I'm going to tell WordPress, I'm going to give WordPress permission to add you as an author. Then WordPress is going to send you an email with an invitation, and you'll have to accept that invitation. And once you accept that invitation, you'll be ready to go. And then you too will see this, and you'll see, the sites. This has been a downfall for students before and confusing, because if you accidentally publish to the account you created when you created your WordPress account, none of us can see it. So always make sure that you see History at Delta College here. That's what you need to see. Okay, so then you would do it just right. History, there we go, History at Delta College. You would come up with your title, a unique title. I like to write in like Microsoft Word first, and then I just cut and paste over. But you can see you can change text color, you can do all sorts of things here with your visual editor. And then you'll want to pick a category, the category that you want to choose. So you'll go down here. You're going to want to choose whatever your course is, whether it's Michigan history, U.S. history, African American history, gender history. Whatever your course is, choose that. That way, everybody else in that class can see it. As far as, you don't have to do anything with status, but you do want to do your featured image, and so you would come over here and you would set the featured image. This is a picture you decided to choose. And so you would have chosen this picture. You would have added it beforehand, and you can add your pictures over here in the visual area. So you can go ahead and add up a picture, and then you can set it as your featured image. And that's about it. It's pretty easy peasy. And then once you did everything, there we go. Now we can push publish up here in the right-hand corner. There's other ways to do it too. I'm a big fan of, I actually like to go the old school long way, where I go to My Sites and I come down to down here and to the blog post and do an ad there. There's other ways, this is where you would also add your media if you had to add media. If you have any questions, let me know, but WordPress is really easy at getting back to people. There's a whole community out there to help you. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.